Now we will see the how to calculate a diagonalized matrix of a given matrix. Let us say we will consider the example. Find eigenvalues, eigenvectors, model matrix, and diagonalize given matrix A. Diagonalize the given matrix A. Given matrix A, it is equals to 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 and 3. This is my given matrix, and this matrix I have to diagonalize. So to find out the diagonalization of the given matrix, first we have to find out the eigenvalues, then eigenvectors. From that one we have to construct the model matrix, and then we have the diagonalized matrix from that one. So in the solution, step 1 eigenvalues. Now for this one we have to write down lambda I minus A. This equation it is equals to 0. This lambda I minus A, lambda I is an identity matrix, and for this one we have to write down like this one. Lambda I minus A, it is equals to, here is the lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda minus this A is 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 and 3, 0 1 and minus 3. Now see here, diagonalizing in a diagonal fashion we have to put the lambda and all other elements are 0 0 for this lambda minus lambda I, and we will subtract it from 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 and 3, which is our given matrix. So lambda I minus A, it is equals to, so lambda minus 1, so that becomes lambda minus 1, and here 0 minus 0, that is 0, 0 minus 0, that becomes 0. Here is the 0 minus 0, so here is the 0, 0 minus 3, so this becomes lambda minus 3, and 0 minus minus 1, so this becomes 1. This 0 minus 0, again it is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, so this becomes 1 here, and lambda minus 3, so this becomes lambda minus 3. So we have this matrix. Now we will find out lambda I minus A. Determinant. So lambda I minus A, it is equals to this lambda minus 1 in bracket, this lambda minus 3 multiplied by lambda minus 3 minus 1, and here it is 0 0, so we will directly put there 0 0, because these two are 0, so if we multiply to any value, so we will get the 0 0, so we will have 0 0 over here. So this lambda I minus A, it is equals to lambda minus 1 as it is, and this becomes lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 minus 1. This we have. It is equals to 0. See here, this equation lambda I minus A, it is equals to 0, so we will put it is equals to 0, so here we will have 0, here we will have 0, like this one. So lambda I minus A, it is equals to 0. Okay, now this lambda I minus A, it is equals to this lambda minus 1 as it is, and here This is lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 minus 1. Plus 9 minus 1 means 8. So this becomes lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 like this. Plus 8 like this. It is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So this lambda I minus a, it is equals to lambda minus 1 and lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8. This we can write down lambda minus 2 and lambda plus 4. Lambda minus 4, it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. Diagonal given matrix A is of 3 by 3. So total number of state variable, it is equals to 3. So total number of state variable equals to 3. So total number of eigenvalues, it is equals to 3. Total number of eigenvectors, it is equals to 3. It is equals to 3. Now see here, the number of state variable, it is equals to number of eigenvalues, it is equals to number of eigenvectors. So here the dimension of the matrix is 3 by 3. So we have the state variables 3, we have the eigenvalues 3, and we have the eigenvectors 3. So this we have. So from the equation A, let us say this equation is A. From equation A, lambda 1, it is equals to 1, lambda 2, it is equals to 2, and lambda 3, it is equals to 4. These are, let us say it is B. So we have the 3 eigenvalues are there. Lambda 1, it is equals to 1, lambda 2, it is equals to 2, and lambda 3, it is equals to 4. So the 3 eigenvalues are there. In the step 2, we will calculate eigenvectors. Put lambda 1, it is equals to 1 in lambda I minus a. In lambda I minus a, x, it is equals to 0. X is my state variable. So x, it is equals to x1, x2, and x3. So these are my 3 state variable. So I will have v1, v2, v3 respective state vectors, eigenvectors. Now see here, I have the equation lambda I minus a into x, it is equals to 0. Now put lambda, it is 1, it is equals to 1 in above equation. Now see here, lambda I minus a, it is equals to this one. Now lambda 1, it is equals to 1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So we have lambda I minus a into x, it is equals to 0, 0, 0. Because here 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0, 0. Here is the 0. Lambda 1 is 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. And here is 1. So here is 0. Here is minus 2. And here is 1. And here is 0. Here is 1. And lambda 1 is 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So here is the 0. Here is the 1. Sorry. Here is the 1. And this becomes minus 2. This becomes minus 2, and here we have to multiply x1, x2 and x3. It is equals to 0. x1, x2, x3, it is equals to 0. Now solving above matrix, we get here is the 0 0 0. If we multiply these ones, all are 0. So now this becomes 0 into x1, that is 0, minus 2 into x2, so minus 2 into x2, and plus 1 into x3. It is equals to 0. So we have 2x2, it is equals to x3. 2x2, it is equals to x3, and here is x2 minus 2x3. x2 minus 2x3, it is equals to 0. So that means x2, it is equals to 2x3. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get, solving equation 1 and 2, we get x2, it is equals to 0 and x3, it is equals to 0. If we solve these two equations, what is x2? x2, it is equals to 2x3. So suppose if we put the 2x3 here, so that means it is 4x3 minus x3, that is 3x3, it is equals to 0. So that means x3, it is equals to 0. If x3 is 0, so that's why x2 becomes 0. So x2 and x3 are 0, and x1, it is also 0, because in the first equations all are 0. So the first column is multiplied by x1, so x1 becomes also 0. But x1 should be non-zero. Therefore x1, it is equals to 1, x2, it is equals to 0, and x3, it is equals to 0, Here x1 should be non-zero, because here it is associated with the lambda 1, so x1 must be non-zero. So we will consider x1, it is equals to 1, x2, it is equals to 0, that we have from here, and we will put here x2, it is equals to 0 and x3, it is equals to 0. So eigenvector v1, it is equals to 1 0 0. This is my first eigenvector. The values of the x1, x2 and x3, that we will put in a column form, and we will get the first eigenvector, that is v1, it is equals to this one. So now say here, which equation here we have? B. So we will consider this is equation C. Now put lambda 2, it is equals to 2 in lambda I minus a multiplied by x, it is equals to 0. Now we know lambda I minus a is this equation. Here we have to put the lambda, it is equals to 2. So here is the 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we will write down lambda I minus a into x, it is equals to 2 minus 1. So this becomes 1. Here is the 0. Now here is the 0, and 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and here is the 1. And here is 0 1 as it is, and 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So here is we have minus 1, and here it is x1, x2 and x3, it is equals to 0. Solving above matrix, we get here x1, it is equals to 0. So this is my first equation. x1, it is equals to 0. This is my first equation. Here it is 0 into x1 and minus x2. So minus x2 plus x3, it is equals to 0. it is equals to 0. And from the third one it is x2 minus x3, it is equals to 0. Here we can write x2 it is equals to x3, and here is also x2 it is equals to x3. From this one x2 it is equals to x3, and here is also x2 it is equals to x3. Now here x2 must be non-zero. X2 must be non-zero. Consider, hence x3 it is equals to 1, so x2 it is equals to 1. This is my second equation, and this is my third equation. See here, x2 it is equals to x3. I have considered x3 it is equals to 1 in this one. So I got x2 it is equals to 1. So this is my first, second and third. x1 is 0, x2 is 1, and x3 is 1. Now I will write down my second vector. Here is the equation is C. So we will write down eigenvector v2 it is equals to 0, 1, 1. This is my equation D. So now I have the second eigenvector v2. Now put lambda 3 it is equals to 4 in lambda I minus a into x it is equals to 0. Now this lambda I minus a into x it is equals to lambda I minus a. This is lambda I minus a. Lambda it is equals to 4. So 4 minus 1, that is 3, and others are 0, 0, and others are 0, 0. Here is the 0. 4 minus 3, that is 1, and here is the 1. So here is 0, here is 1, here is 1, and here is 0, here is 1, and 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3. So again 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, multiplied by x1, x2, and x3 it is equals to 0. So solving above matrix, we get 3x1 it is equals to 0. So x1 it is equals to 0. So x1 becomes 0. 3x1 it is equals to 0. That means my x1 becomes 0. Now see here it is the 0, here is the 1. 1 into x2 and 1 into x3. So that means x2 plus x3 it is equals to 0. x2 plus x3 it is equals to 0. Like this one. So x3 it is equals to minus x2. x3 it is equals to minus x2. And here is again x2 plus x3 it is equals to 0. Here is the x2 and here is the x3. So x2 plus x3 it is equals to 0. So that means x3 it is equals to minus x2. Now here x3 must be non-zero. So here x2 it is equals to 1. So x3 it is equals to minus x2, it is equals to minus 1. So this is my first equation, this is my second equation, and this is my third equation. So eigenvector v3 it is equals to, what is x1? x1 it is equals to 0. So I will put here 0. Here x2 it is equals to 1. So I will put x2 it is equals to 1. And x3 it is equals to minus 1. So I will put x3 it is equals to minus 1 in the equation. And this is my equation. This is D. So this is my equation E. From equation C, D and E, okay, eigenvector it is equals to V, it is equals to V1, V2 and V3. Now we know V1, we know V2 and we know V3. So V it is equals to So V it is equals to, what is V1? What is V1? V1 it is equals to 1 0 0. So we will put here 1 0 0. What is V2? That is 0 1 1. And what is V3? That is 0 1 minus 1. So we have this V. This V. This is my eigenvector. This is my eigenvector. And now I will write down the step 3, that is modal matrix. That is modal matrix. It is denoted by P. It is denoted by P. Modal matrix P. Modal matrix P, it is equals to eigenvectors. It is equals to eigenvectors. So P it is equals to V1, V2, V3. Eigenvectors are this one. V it is equals to V1, V2, V3. So we have V1, V2, V3. So P it is equals to, modal matrix is always equals to your eigenvectors, that is V1, V2, V3. So P we can write it is equals to, P it is equals to, V is 1 0 0, then 0 1 1, 0 1 minus 1. So this is my modal matrix. So this is my modal matrix. Now see here, up till now we have calculated the modal matrix. From modal matrix we will calculate the diagonalized matrix. Diagonalized matrix. Now step 4. Step 4. In the step 4, diagonalize matrix A. Diagonalize matrix A. So diagonal matrix D it is equals to P inverse A into P. P inverse A into P. Now P is the modal matrix, A is the given matrix. A is the given matrix. P inverse, calculate P inverse. Calculate P inverse. P inverse it is equals to adjunct of P divided by the determinant of P. P inverse is nothing but the adjunct of the P divided by the determinant of the P. Determinant of the P. Now we will calculate first the adjunct of the P, and then we will calculate this one, and then we will calculate P inverse. Now P is given. P is given. P is what? 1 0 0 0 1 1. 1 0 0 0 1 1. And here is 0 1 minus 1. Here is 0 1 minus 1. 0 1 minus 1. Now this is my P. This is my P. Now I will calculate adjunct of P. It is equals to adjunct of P. It is just like your minor. It is just like your minor. For this position, we have to calculate the 9 position of this one. 9 position of this one. So first you calculate minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So this becomes minus 2. This you have to write down here. This you have to write down here. Now for this ones, you omit this row and these columns. So minus 1 into 0 multiplied by 1 into 0, that you have to put it here. That you have to put it here. For these ones, you have to omit the first row and the last column. So 1 into 0 and 1 into 0. So that you have to put it here. Now, okay, this one. Now for this one, you have to omit the first row and you have to omit the second column. So minus 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. So this becomes again 0. So I will put here 0. Now for this one, you have to omit the second row and the second column. So minus 1 into 1. So this becomes minus 1, and 0 into 0. So this becomes minus 1. So this becomes minus 1. Now here 1. So we have to omit the second row and the third column. So second row and the third column. So 1 into 1, that is 1, and 0 into 1. So here we will have here we will have the 1. Here we will have the 1. Now for this one 0, so we have to omit the first column and the third row. So here is the 1 into 0 and 0 into 1, so I will have 0 here. Now for this one we have to omit the third row and the second column, third row and the second column. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 0, so that means we have the 1 here, we have the 1 here. Okay, now again here is the 1. See here, this is my row and this is my row and this is my column. So 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0, so that means we have the 1 here, we have the 1 here. Now for this one we have to omit the last row and the last column. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 0, so that becomes 1, that becomes 1. Now we have to change the sign of this one. Here is the positive, here is the negative, here is the positive. Okay, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. Okay, now here is the negative, here is the positive, here is the negative, so we will put here minus, so we will put here minus. Now this is negative, so this becomes positive. If this is positive, this is negative, so we will put here negative, and here is the positive, and here is the positive. So we have, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive, so as it is, and this is negative, so this is minus 1, so this is minus 1, this is minus 1. Here is the negative, sorry, here is the positive, negative, positive, here is the positive, here is the negative, so 1 gets converted into minus 1, 1 gets converted into minus 1, and this becomes, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, so here is the 0 0 minus 1 1, 0 minus 1 0, अच्छा एक मिनट, एक मैं आपको cofactor of p, it is equals to cofactor of p. Now see here, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is 1, this is 0. This we have. Now this is 1 minus, this is minus 1 into 1 and minus 1 into 1. So that means here is the minus 2. Here is the minus 2. Now this is first row and the second column. So we have minus 1 into 0 and 1 into 0. So we will have here 0. We will have 0. Now first row and third column. So 1 into 0, 1 into 0. So we will have 0 here. Now for this one, the first column and the second row. First column and the second row. So minus 1 into 0 and 1 into 0. So we will have 0 here. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1 and 0 into 0. So this becomes minus 1. So this becomes minus 1. Now second row, third column. Second row, third column. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 0. So we will have 1 here. So we will have 1 here. Now for this one, the first row and the third column. This is 0. No? So the first column and the third row. So 1 into 0, 1 into 0. So we will have 0 here. This is 1. So we will omit this one and we will omit this one. So this and this. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 0. So we will have 1 here. For this one, the last row and the second column. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 0. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. And here this is minus 1. So we will omit this one, we will omit this one. So 1 into 1 minus 0. So here is the 1. So here is the 1. This is my coefficient, cofactors of the p. So this is my cofactor of the p. That we can directly write down. Now adjunct of the p, it is equals to. Here is the negative. So we will put this as it is. Okay. Here is the negative. So we will put 0. Here is the positive. Again we will put 0. Here we will take negative, but 0 is there. So we will take it as 0. This is negative, this is positive, so we will take as it is, and this is negative, so we will put -1. So we will put -1. This is positive, negative, then positive, so we will take, this is positive, this is negative, so we will put here negative. This is positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, and again here is the positive, so we will put 1 here. So this is my adjunct P. Adjunct P. So this way we can convert. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to change the sign. We have to change the sign. 0, -1, 0 and 1 का. So that sign we have to change. That sign we have to change. तो मैंने साइन चेंज कर दिया उसका. चेंज करने के बाद में मुझे क्या मिला, -2 0 0 0 -1 -1 0 -1 1. So this is my adjunct. This is my adjunct. Now adjunct of P that I know. Adjunct of P that I know. Now I will calculate the determinant of the P. Determinant of the P, that is equals to 1 multiplied by -1 into 1 -1 into 1 minus 1 into 1, and these are the two zeros are there, so plus 0 plus 0. So adjunct of the P, determinant of the P is 1 multiplied by -1, so it is equals to -2. So that means P it is equals to -2. P it is equals to -2. Now P inverse it is equals to adjunct of the P divided by determinant of the P. Adjunct of the P is what? -2 0 0 0 -1 -1, and this is 0 -1 1 divided by -2 So this P inverse it is equals to, this is -2 na, so we can write down 1/2 multiplied by -2 0 0 0 -1 -1 0 -1 1. This -2, 1 by -2 I have taken it is here, -1/2, and this matrix as it is -2 0 0 0 -1 -1 0 -1 and 1. This matrix as it is. So this is my P inverse. This is my P inverse. I got P inverse like this one. P inverse like this one. Now I know the diagonalize of the matrix D, it is equals to P inverse A into P. P inverse A into P. D diagonalize matrix. Diagonal matrix D it is equals to P inverse A into P. P inverse A into P. So D it is equals to -1/2 P inverse, that is -2 0 0 0 -1 -1 0 -1 1 multiplied by, what is A? A is what? A is given matrix, है ना. This is our example. A is 1 0 0, है ना. A is 1 0 0, then 0 3 -1 0 3 -1 0 3 -1 and 0 -1 3 0 -1 and 3. This is my matrix. Now P it is equals to 1 0 0 1 0 0, then 0 1 1, then 0 1 -1 0 1 -1. Okay. Now D we can write down. D it is equals to -1/2 -2 0 0. This we will write down as it is 0 -1 -1 and 0 -1 1 as it is, multiplied by. Now we will solve these two. We will multiply this 1 0 0 first row multiplied by first column. So 1 into 1, 0 into 0 and 0 into 0. So sum of this one becomes 1. So 1 into 0, 0 into 0 and 0 into 0. So we will have 0 here. 1 into 0, 0 into 0 and 0 into -1. So that becomes 0. That becomes 0. Now this 0, second row and the first column. 0 into 1, that is 0. 3 into 0, that is 0, minus 1 into 0, so we will have 0 here. So we will have 0 here. Now see here, 0 into 0, 3 into 1, that is 3, and minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. That is 2. Now here is the 0, here is the 3. 0 into 0, that is 0, plus 1 into 3, that is 3, and minus 1 into 1, that is 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. So I will have 4 here. So I will have 4 here. Now 0 into 0, minus 1 into 0, and minus 3 into 0. So I will have 0 here. Now 0 into 0, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, and 3 into 1, that is 3. Minus 1 plus 3, that is minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. So 0 into 0, that is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. And this is minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 4. So I will put minus 4 here. So I will put minus 4 here. So I have 1, 2, minus 4, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, minus 4. This is my d, it is equals to minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2 and all this one. So now I can write down d, it is equals to minus 1 by 2. D, it is equals to minus 1 by 2, and now I will multiply this one. So this is minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 1, 0 into 0, and this 0 into 0. So if we add this one, I will get minus 2. So I will write down here minus 2. Now minus 2, that is 0, 0 into 0, and 0 into 0. So this becomes minus 2 into 0, 0 into 2, and 0 into 2. So sum becomes 0. So I will write down here 0. This is minus 2 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 4, that is 0. 0 into minus 4, that is 0. So sum becomes 0. So sum becomes 0. Now I will complete this one. Now 0 into 1, that is 0. Minus 1 into 0, that is 0. Minus 1 into 0, that is 0. So sum becomes 0. So at the second, that we will have 0. Now this 0 multiplied by 0, that is 0. Minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. And minus 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. So we will have minus 4 here. See there, 0 into 0, that is 0. This is minus 2 and this is minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2, that is minus 4. So I will have minus 4 here. I will have minus 4 here. Now 0, it's okay. And this is minus 4. And this is minus 4. Minus into minus, that is plus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4, that becomes 0. So we will have 0 here. We will have 0 here. Now see here, this is 0. Minus 1 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. So suppose if we add this one, we will have 0 here. We will have 0 here. Now see here, this is 0. This is 0. This is minus 1. And this is plus, this is minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So we will have 0 here. Now this is 0 into 0. Minus 4 into 4, minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. So I will have minus 8 here. I will have minus 8 here. Now see here, this diagonal, it is equal to, this is minus 1 by 2. So I will multiply this minus 1 by 2 here. Minus 1 by 2, minus minus gets cancelled. So 2 by 1 becomes 1. Here is 0, here is 0. So again here is the 0. Here is the 0. Minus minus gets cancelled. 1 by 2, that means it is 2. And here is the 0. Here is the 0, here is the 0. 0 divided by something, 0 divided by something is multiplied. It's okay. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 2. So minus minus plus. And 8 divided by 2, that means it is 4. See here. This is my diagonal matrix. This is my diagonal matrix. Now see here, in the diagonal, I have the value 1, 2 and 4. Now see here, if you remember this ones, for this one, for this matrix, what is my lambda 1? That is 1, lambda 2 is 2, and lambda 3 it is equals to 4. So whatever my eigen values are there, it should be in the diagonal. After calculations, I must get the same matrix. I must get the same values in the diagonal. Then we can say that our answer is correct. If it is coming wrong, if it is not coming the same values there in the lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 diagonally, that means our answer is wrong. That means our answer is wrong. So it is coming same, then we can say that my procedure or my answer is correct. If it is not coming, definitely it is wrong. Definitely it is wrong.